today to talk to you about cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Cloud, you know what?
This is boring, huh?
There's got to be a better way.
Let's teach them all.
Shall we?
Go.
Let me tell you now, this is how it's going to be. Cloud computing for you and me.
Software services, storage and space. All your work stored somewhere in space.
Access your info wherever you are, whether you're close or even if you're far.
Cloud computing to knock you off your socks. These hot new apps such as Dropbox.
Networks and PCs, servers and bytes. Bye-bye long hours, hello early nights.
Cynthia, Dennis, Kumalo and Paul. Cloud computing is used by all.
Upload your files, it's all online. It's quick, efficient, saves you time.
Trends and features taking business by storm. It's time now for cloud computing to become the norm.
Enough said now, we ain't insane. Let's check out some slides and we'll explain.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Let's take the example of Bad Luck Brian. He can simply never catch a break. As you see, he's on his way to a very important meeting when suddenly he realizes that something is missing. But what? He can't seem to find his flash drive. Yes, you guessed it. It's at home. And between the morning traffic and getting to work on time, Bad Luck Brian has no time to fetch it.
I don't know what cloud computing is all about. I'm confused. Can somebody please clarify to me?
Cloud computing can be described as any utility used to define a model for enabling on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources.
Come on guys, this is hard to understand.
Instead of defining what cloud computing is using complex terms, I would like to show you how it could help Brian. What he needs is some way of ensuring that he has access to his documents anywhere and anytime. And that is actually an excellent example of what cloud computing does. It enables the opportunity for information to be stored in one place, known as the cloud, and to be accessed from virtually anywhere. Think of cloud computing as a flash drive. One that you never physically see, however, are always able to access. A good example of cloud computing services is Dropbox. Dropbox is a revolutionary application that allows users to upload content, remove it, or even share it with friends or colleagues located anywhere in the world. Now, if Brian had simply made use of a cloud computing service such as Dropbox, then his life would be so much easier. He would have peace of mind and will be rest assured that he will not be fired.
Now that you've told me about this cloud computing thing, I think I've seen something on the internet about service models. Can you explain more about that?
That is correct. Service models can be separated into three major categories, namely infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Would you like to know more?
Yeah.
Check out the next slide. Yes, that's a very good question. Here are various deployment models, such as a community cloud, which deals with computing resources shared by several organizations with a common interest. Also a public cloud, which is available to the public or large groups by organizations. There's also something called a private cloud, which consists of computing resources managed by internal data center team for a single organization.
Can you tell me something? I've heard this term hybrid cloud. Can you explain the concept of this?
Yes, A hybrid cloud is a combination of two or more clouds bound together by a protocol to provide computing resources.
Now, man, you've mentioned everything now. I think I kind of understand what you're saying. Now, can you tell me now about the benefits and the concerns now of the business pertaining this cloud computing?
Yes, I can. There are various benefits associated with cloud computing. Namely, it's cost effective, almost unlimited storage, automatic software integration, backup and recovery is easy, and quick deployment is involved. There are some concerns associated with cloud computing. Those are technical issues, security in the cloud, and also you are prone to attack.
Let's say you're an executive at a large corporation. Your particular responsibilities include making sure that all of your employees have the right hardware and software they need to do their jobs. Buying computers for everyone isn't enough. You also have to purchase software or software licenses to give employees the tools they require. Whenever you have a new employee, you have to buy more software or make sure your current software and its licenses allow another user. Soon there may be an alternative for executives like you. Instead of installing a suite of software on each computer, you'll only have to load one application. That application will allow workers to log into a web-based service which hosts all the programs the user would need for his or her job. Remote machines owned by another company would run everything from email to word processing to complex data analysis programs. It's called cloud computing, and it could change the computer industry. In a cloud computing system, there is a significant workload shift. Local computers no longer have to do all the heavy lifting when it comes to running applications. The network of computers that make up the cloud handles them instead. Hardware and software demands on the user side decrease. The only thing the user's computer needs to be able to run is the cloud computing system's interface software, which can be as simple as a web browser, and a cloud's network takes care of the rest. There's a good chance you've already used some form of cloud computing. If you have an email account with a web-based email service like Hotmail, Yahoo, or Gmail, then you've had some experience with cloud computing. Instead of running an email program on your computer, you log into a web email account remotely. The software and storage for your account doesn't exist on your computer. It's on the service's computer cloud.
Brian, tell me, how has cloud computing helped you?
Cloud computing, let me tell you, my man, it has helped me a lot. You know, I don't need this flash drive because cloud computing has helped me. You know what? Let me tell you something about it. I can store my stuff anyway, you know, and I can be able to access it. Remember, I can be in India. I can find my stuff even there, you know. It has done so many things for me. Since I've told you that I don't need this flash drive, I can be able to store all my stuff, you know. There's a vast space. I can even send you 1 gig video, you know.
I can access it anywhere.
You can access it anywhere, even in America. What are you talking about? America.
Would you like to tell your friends about cloud computing and inspire them to use it?
You know, watch out, friends. Cloud computing, it has made my life very much easier. I don't need flash drive, external hard drives, because my stuff is everywhere. You know, I can even access it even now.
So guys, if cloud computing can work for Brian, just think what it could do for you.
Cloud computing 1, 2, 3. It's for you and it's for me. Look at me, I love to smile. Look right here and watch credits go by.
So that's it for today, guys. Cloud computing, done and dusted.